Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joshua Kim, and today I'll be presenting your capstone project, the financial program analysis for Evergreen. This project is part of our CIS 4980 course for the fall 2024 semester. This presentation will walk you through the work we've done, our process, and key reflections from the experience. Let me introduce you to our team. Raisa Basher, she handles Smartsheet and contributed to the Power BI dashboard development. Numa Saeed, our team lead, who was responsible for weekly status reports and also worked on the Power BI dashboard. Jamal Sharif contributed significantly to the Power BI dashboard. Alex Ramos took charge of documentation and created the final PowerPoint presentation. Joshua Kim managed the Insight Global weekly status reports and supported the creation of the PowerPoint slides. And this is our project sponsor. We like to acknowledge and thank Justina Grinlock, who is the program director at Evergreen. Her guidance and insights were valuable throughout the project, and we appreciate her support in helping us achieve our objectives.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about the project, give its project description. So the primary objective of the project was to enhance the financial health analysis at Evergreen. We did this by providing a real-time financial insights to improve program visibility. We also enable data-driven decisions, efficient budget management, and accurate forecasting. We have addressed inefficiency in progress tracking and lack of transparency. We've transferred scattered data into actionable insights using a comprehensive Power BI dashboard, which is interactive in real time. The key client challenges that we faced was inefficient progress tracking and over-reliance on the PM consultations, underutilized data spread across multiple Excel sheets, and difficulty in identify financial risk promptly, and lack of clear visuals impeding strategic decision making.
So in this slide, I'm going to talk about our approach and what methodology we used. So we followed the CRISP-DM framework to guide our data analysis and dashboard development. So it has 6 steps. The first step is business understanding. So we did meetings with Justina and Andrew to understand what Insight Global does, what Evergreen does, and why they need this dashboard. And after understanding our goal, our project scope, we created a project roadmap and we started our data analysis from there. The second step is data understanding. We gathered data from multiple sources, including Excel sheets and SharePoint, which contain key financial metrics and historical data. The third step is data preparation, where data is clean and make it fit for further analysis. We check if our data has any null or duplicate values, and we through Andrew's advice, we ensure that our data is clean. And the fourth step is data modeling and development. We developed a Power BI dashboard featuring interactive visualization, automated calculation, and dynamic charts. The fifth is evaluation, where project deliverable is checked for accuracy. So we tested our dashboard against existing Excel file. We also conducted meetings for more feedback with Jacob to check if our dashboard is meeting the business requirement or not. And the sixth and the last step is deployment. We deployed our final Power BI dashboard to Evergreen environment. We also gave them a user manual and data integration plan so that they can use the dashboard easily. Okay, in this slide, we're going to talk about how we communicated with our client and how we collaborated with our team and what methodology we used for our project. So we, for client communication, we met our client weekly in Teams. We also visited office in person for more communication with Justina, Andrew, and Jacob. And for team collaboration, we utilized SharePoint for file sharing and collaboration. We conducted weekly team meetings with team to track our progress, address challenges, and address priorities. And for selection decision, we used agile methodology as it gives more flexibility and adaptability, and we can change our project according to our sponsor's need.
So now I'll be sharing key accomplishments of our project. First, we developed an interactive Power BI dashboard that delivers a real-time insight into key financial metrics, helping stakeholders make informed decisions quickly. Next, we implemented features to automate calculation and generate alerts for financial risk that help reduce manual effort and improve early financial risk identification. We also achieved that data integration by consolidating data from multiple sources like Excel and SharePoint, ensuring a single and accurate data set for an analysis. We also created a detailed user manual to help stakeholders in using and customizing the dashboard effectively. And finally, we conducted a stakeholder training, equipping the team with knowledge to use the dashboard and sustain its value in the long term.
So I'll be presenting the lessons learned. First, we have critical thinking and problem solving. If given the opportunity to start over, we would dedicate more time early on to understanding data inconsistencies and would have streamlined the data preparation process. Second is communication and client interaction. We realized that involving stakeholders more frequently during the early stages could have minimized last-minute adjustments. So also having a constant communication with the client was very important. And during those communications, it was also important to keep professionalism. Third was adaptability. We learned the importance of building flexibility into our project timeline to accommodate unforeseen changes without affecting delivery deadlines. Fourth was time management and project management. We realized that allocating specific time for testing and revisions earlier in the process would have reduced last minute pressure and improved the final product. Five was teamwork and collaboration. Early and a clear role definition helped us succeed, but we also learned the importance of cross training to avoid bottlenecks when someone was unavailable. Next slide, please. Now for the technical skills, we have Power BI Mastery. We developed advanced proficiency in Power BI, including data modeling with DAX and data transformation using Power Query. We also learned how to use Excel better as we saw how it was used in the professional setting. Third was SharePoint collaboration. We felt that having a SharePoint where we could all upload a document or work so that everyone could collaborate was very useful. Fourth was presentation skills, so improved ability to create compelling and professional presentation using PowerPoint. So for mistakes and improvements, initially we underestimated the time needed for data cleaning. A more detailed data audit at the start would have made the preparation process smoother. Also, engaging the client more frequently during development could have ensured more immediate feedback, reducing the need for late-stage revisions.
All right, so this is our feedback and suggestions slide. Through the capstone experience, we identified a few areas where the course and the program overall could be strengthened. We provided two main suggestions, the first one being strengthen data visualization and analytics curriculum. Our project required proficiency in tools like Power BI, DAX, and Power Query. While we learned foundational skills, we suggest incorporating advanced workshops or elective courses specifically focused on these tools. This would better prepare students for real-world data analysis projects. Our suggestions: add a dedicated module or a short course focused on data visualization platforms, including on hand-on projects and industry use cases. Our second suggestion is enhance project management training. The capstone emphasized agile and CRISP-DM methodologies, which are critical for structured project management. While theoretical concepts are covered, more practical applications and simulations would benefit students. Our suggestions would be offer more project management, simulation exercises, and case studies to deepen students' understandings of managing timelines, adapting to changes, and communicating with stakeholders. We believe these enhancements will significantly benefit future students in tackling similar projects. Thank you, and that was our Final recorded reflection.